invite one of member, Mr. Prabhakaran G. Also, he's from My Big Break company. So more into the career launch is what he does. So that's the company he has. So he also has a couple of questions which you like to ask you. So Prabhakaran, go ahead and you can go ahead to ask questions to our guest.
Good evening, Prabhakaran sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. It's a big honor to be here, and thanks to Prakash.
Nothing. It's a happiness, not an honor. It's a happiness to talk, right? So let it be more humility, right? It should be there. So I always feel when I'm meeting somebody, there has to be an happiness. No honor, right? Honor is only for the God.
Oh, wonderful. Your brilliance is permeating in every word that you deliver, and yeah, it's excellence is never a accident. That's your quote.
Yes, that is my quote. Yeah, correct. You are right, sir.
It's a pleasure being here, sir, and thanks, Prakash, for this opportunity.
Always.
The question here is given to me is a very naughty question. Leaders who have only grown through designations think that they know it all and are reluctant to hear from the others. So what kind of mindset is first required to be more self-aware and avoid this scenario?
Fantastic question, sir. You made me to remind the movie of 1980s, 1990, when the boss used to say, go do it, otherwise shoot, right? So that part is over. That part is over, sir. And Mr. Rajshri Joshi has written very clearly, growth mindset. That is very true. I always believe in the growth mindset instead of the fixed mindset. And sometime if you go on my LinkedIn profile, I have already given a 3 minutes video on the growth mindset, that why growth mindset is very important for anybody and everybody at any stature to grow. And that's why we have to take it out. Now I will add 4 things here. The bossism era has gone. The second thing is the good manager era has also gone. Because in this VUCA world, which is very important, you have to behave like a leader, right? And that too, when I was very happy when I was listening that the leaders create leader. This is my 10 different videos are there on the leaders create leaders. Why? Because we have to have, again, we have to empty our cup to fill it again. Fantastic. You said it. You are stealing the word from my mouth, right? So that is a very well you said it. So we have to unlearn, relearn and learn. That is the thing which is important. Because every 3 years now, you see the entire technology, people, the new generation, the new way, everything is getting changed. So that era part is over. Somebody is there in that era, he or she will be respected only till the time the person is absorbing the chair. That's all. When you go out in the evening, then people, you know what type of the talk they will do. So the respect is when you are not there. The respect is when you are not there, right? We always say when somebody enters in the room, we feel happiness. And at the same time, when somebody leaves the room, we feel happiness. So you can understand which type of person you want to be.
Wonderful, sir. Brilliant. Good. I do have another question.
Yes, please, sir.
What are the common distractions and challenges which hinder self-analysis?
Sorry, sir.
What are the common distractions or challenges which hinder a self-analysis?
Okay. Just a minute. Some people want to enter inside. Admitted. Yeah. So the common challenges and distractions, correct? That's what you asked, huh?
Yes.
So I will talk to you about the key skills which is basically required, sir. Right. So the key skill is that if suppose I am the pharmaceutical industry, right? I have to have a basic knowledge, the deep knowledge, what is happening and how the world is changing. How the thing has been changed and it has been becoming now the technology driven. So I am ready to learn from the person who is joining as a management trainee because they are coming with a technology background. So that is the reason people, they don't resonate the things and they become stubborn. No, I am aware about it. I don't want to read. So you have to cut that ego part. Ego is going to destroy you, right? And if you have not an ego, if you are like a simple person, right? Simplicity is going to give you lot of things to add on that. This is point number 1. Second thing is patience. Patience. You have to have. That's why I said, no, when they say things are not happening right, take a back step. Have patience. Understand. Understand. Don't react. Don't react. Respond. Respond. And people, what happens then? When they are on the position, they start reacting. No, whatever I said is correct, which is not correct, which is not correct. And then they, what will do? They will pass on the bucks to the other person. I told you everything. You are not able to do. You are not efficient. Right. But at the same time, I always feel, sir, my entire team, let me tell you, I am working, I have multiple divisions, right? Right. And I am a vertical head. So multiple divisions are there. And we are in the commercial business. From last 29 months, in spite of this corona, our every person, they are achieving the target with more than 35% growth.
Wow.
Every person. So that is the truth. And that is the reason from last 2 years, organization has felicitated me as a champion of the champions for the entire Cadila. So I'm not boosting the things. I am taking it as a learning that if you support your team, right, then only they will be able to rise. If you start leaving the things and start blaming, then it will become a blame game. So, and I always say, if somebody has failed in your team, the person has not failed. You have failed. If somebody is not able to do, I will say this is my responsibility. I was not able to guide as per the requirement of that person or situation of the person, because all the 5 fingers are not same. All the situations are not same. What is happening in Chennai, it may not happen in Delhi. So I have to be a guide person. That is the reason the people there. So this is the second thing which I like to put it here. And it is a very open truth. It is, I can say it is a shameless truth which I am speaking to you. And it is true also. Then another part is persistency. Persistency is another thing. Persistency with the new attributes. So you have to be persistent and add new. Newness is a way of life now. So wherever you like to add the thing, people will say that they will run the old things in the old way. It will not work, sir. It will not work. Everybody like to see the things in a different way, right? Otherwise, sorry to say this, this movie of Salman Khan, right? Radhe would have been a super hit.
Radhe.
The same thing is not going to work, sir, right? This is a beautiful example. If you have the same 10 years old mindset, like you work like a wanted type of movie and wanted become successful, right? So Radhe has not become successful. This is a simple example I want to give it to you here, right? So new perspective is very important, which is there. And then after that, regularity. You have to be more regular. Monitoring, regular monitoring. This is the thing which is basically required. And then believe in the competition. You have to think one step ahead with the competition. That if I have to succeed, not today, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, how I'm going to behave. The people who are going to take care for these 2-3 steps, what they will do, they will not ignite themselves. They will not. They will ignite the entire team. And the entire team is ready for the coming time. And that is the basic responsibility of a leader. That's why the topic of the self-awareness of a leader is very, very important here.
Brilliant.
Great.
Beautiful. Yeah, Prakash.
Definitely. Thanks very much, Prabhakaran, for asking the question. It is very insightful question, and very insightful answers being shared, Mr. Pramod Kumar. And one of the key aspects which we are talking about, a person being self-aware. The challenges they need to identify whether egoistic or not, or are they blaming or are they taking responsibility. So either side, all is there in a human being. That's what the first what you told.
Correct.
Everyone knows all these, but what are we actually demonstrating? Correct? And that makes the difference. So here on one side you're talking about blaming, other side you're talking about responsibility. On one side you're talking about ego, and other side you're talking about encouraging.
Correct.
So both are there, but which is what we're demonstrating, especially when the challenging situation comes. That's what I was able to understand really. And that makes the perfect person as a self-aware leader. And during the challenging situation, I should not get into ego, but I should be more encouraging others. Correct? So wonderful. That's a really great insight for me, Mr. Pramod, for sharing this excellent answers. Great.